Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some common misconceptions about OnPassive. You know, there's a lot of buzz going around about this company and honestly, some of it's just not true. So let's unpack these myths, break them down and see what's really going on. We're going to take a close look at the platform, the products and the overall business model. Whether you're just hearing about OnPassive or you've been curious about the legitimacy of it all, this video is for you. Stick around because we're about to clear the air and get to the truth about OnPassive. But as always, please take a moment and like, subscribe, comment and share. Thanks. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room right off the bat. Is OnPassive a scam? The short answer is no, and here's why. A scam, by definition, is something designed to deceive you and take your money without providing anything of value in return. OnPassive, on the other hand, offers a suite of digital marketing tools and resources. We're talking about things like website builders, email marketing software, and even tools for social media management. These are real products, folks, with actual applications in the digital world. Now, you might be thinking, but James, there are tons of these tools out there already, and you'd be right. But OnPassive aims to differentiate itself by bundling these tools together and integrating them into a single platform. The idea is to create a one-stop shop for all your online business needs. Whether that's a game changer or not is up for debate, but it's definitely not a scam just for trying to offer a different approach. Now let's talk about the platform itself. One of the criticisms I've heard is that OnPassive is too complicated, too techy for the average person to use. But honestly, that's just not my experience. OnPassive has clearly put a lot of effort into making their platform user-friendly, even for beginners. The interface is clean and intuitive, and most of the tools are designed to be drag-and-drop simple. Plus, they offer tons of tutorials, webinars, and support materials to help you get started and make the most of their platform. Look, I'm not saying you'll be a tech wizard overnight, but if you can send an email or browse the web, you can figure out OnPassive. It's really no more complicated than any other popular online platform out there. So don't let the tech jargon scare you away. OnPassive is designed to be accessible to everyone, regardless of your technical skills. All right, let's talk about the price tag. I'll admit, when I first saw the cost of joining OnPassive, I thought that it's pretty fair for what you're getting. It's not exactly pocket change, but you are getting top-notch software, stuff that everyone is looking for. But here's the thing, you're not just paying for access to some tools. You're buying into a system, a business model that promises to do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Think about it like this. Building an online business from scratch takes time, effort, and a whole lot of money. You need to invest in a website, marketing, advertising, maybe even hire a team. OnPassive claims to streamline that process, providing you with the tools and resources you need to get started quickly and efficiently. Now, whether or not they deliver on that promise is something for you to judge for yourself. But the point is, you're paying for more than just access to software. You're paying for a potential shortcut, a way to potentially fast-track your online business growth. One of the biggest concerns I had going into this was customer support. When you're investing in something like OnPassive, you want to know that there's someone there to help you if you run into problems. And honestly, from what I've seen, OnPassive does a pretty decent job in this department. They offer multiple avenues for support, including email, phone, and even live chat. I've personally reached out to their support team a few times with questions, and I've always received prompt and helpful responses. Plus, they have a pretty active community forum where you can connect with other OnPassive users, share tips, and get help with any issues you're facing. Look, no customer support system is perfect, but it seems like OnPassive is genuinely committed to providing their users with the assistance they need. This is the one I hear a lot, and it's understandable why people might think this. OnPassive does have a referral program, which is a common element of multi-level marketing, but OnPassive doesn't have AMLM business structure. And here's the key difference. With OnPassive, you're not just earning commissions on recruiting people, you're primarily focused on promoting and selling actual products and services. The referral program is simply an added incentive, a way to potentially earn additional income by sharing the platform with others who might benefit from it. Now, whether or not you agree with that model is up to you. but it's important to understand that OnPassive is not solely reliant on recruitment. Like many traditional MLM schemes, their primary focus is still on providing value through their products and services. So there you have it, 5 common myths about OnPassive debunked. Look, I'm not here to tell you whether or not OnPassive is the right fit for you. Only you can make that decision, but I hope this video has given you a more balanced and informed perspective on what OnPassive is and what it isn't. Do your own research, weigh the pros and cons, and then decide if it aligns with your goals and values. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one. For more information about OnPassive and how to find financial freedom, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.